Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nil English, where we help you improve your English speaking skills. And the way we do that is by presenting various idioms that you can practice. And idioms are just words and phrases that sound like one thing, but truly mean another. And so when you use idioms, it actually makes you sound more authentic to English speakers, and it helps you improve your English speaking skills. Now, our word and phrase or idiom of today is guinea pig, a guinea pig. And all a guinea pig is somebody that's used for an experiment or a trial. Just like a guinea pig is used in science as sometimes they'll inject medicine or they'll inject something into to see the reaction. So they're just kind of experimental rats, scientific experimental rats in a sense. So when somebody calls someone a guinea pig, that means that they're part of an experiment or a trial. She was a guinea pig to the new pills, or they were guinea pigs to the new experiment. And sometimes it means to be used. They were just guinea pigs in the job. Um, they she was just a guinea pig to him. So it just means that a person is just part of an experiment, a trial. They're not taken seriously. They're just the person that is being used to find a result. So a guinea pig is not always a positive statement to be called a guinea pig. It just means that you're being used as an experiment. So the government used the people as guinea pigs, except something like that. So those are not real positive phrase, but it's also still used and it's still very popular use today to be used as a guinea pig. So in the comment section, what can you come up with for guinea pig? What sentences can you come up with? And share it with your friends and family so you can both practice and challenge each other to see who can come up with more sentences than the other. And we'll check those out and we'll comment right below yours. Also, if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can be notified for additional videos just like this one. Also, please don't hesitate to check out NIL so you can learn from English speaking teachers and professors just like me, one-on-one, just like this online, and we'll have a great time with each other. Either not me or it'll be somebody else. Again, my name is Rich Fontaine. I'm the author of Destiny on Purpose, How to Get What You Truly Want Out of Life, and the nerd who saved the universe. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon.